Did the green light come?
Yeah.
Now it takes time before it actually finds the right heading. Although our destination is there, but because of the changing GPS coordinates, it takes time for the robot to adjust and head towards the right direction. As you're seeing now, it's moving more towards this direction. It'll move forward for some time, and again it'll stop to find the correct heading. According to our logic, the difference between the destination and heading angle should not be more than 10 degrees, either clockwise or anti-clockwise. And this is what the robot is trying to do. As you can see now, it's moving more towards the destination. And we have designed the code in such a way that the robot can move either left or right to correct its heading direction, and does this by computing the difference in the angle. Okay, if the difference is smaller in the clockwise direction, it turns right, and if opposite case, it turns left. As you can see now, this is the destination. That's the basketball court. So you can see it correcting, and now it's going in forward direction. If it moves close to 4 meters from the destination point, the robot should stop. So it's heading closer to the destination, closer, closer, correcting its direction, closer. Now it should stop at any moment of time. See,
There, it has reached its
it
destination.
has reached the destination. Now the destination point can be anywhere within a 4-meter circle surrounding the destination point. This is because the GPS has limited accuracy. This is why we have designed a semi-autonomous robot, okay, which shifts from autonomous mode to remote control mode. So now the next step is to shift to remote control mode. All right.
And it stops.